Alright, we're gonna make
Pencils, edible pencils.
edible pencils out of waffle vanilla wafers.
We need this.
Okay.
We need this.
That's the frosting we're gonna use.
Yeah, we need the vanilla. Oh, we need this. Okay, let me go get like
It's messy. Get a plate.
I think I'll get pink. Oh, Daddy. Got plate?
Alright, let's get another plate. So we have that right.
Yeah. Me and Daddy are gonna share a plate.
We have this there.
Which each get three. Or how many do we each get?
Alright. Get the knife.
Yeah, we're gonna make this right now.
We want to cut.
Whoa! Yeah. I'm gonna go get some balls for the Okay. These are
It's pointy like a pencil.
what the? It's pointing like a pencil.
Like a pencil.
These. And they go like a pencil.
So now we're gonna put
Get the other bowl. For the white one. I'm gonna put the pink one. Same like the I made. Look what I made. I made, Daddy. Uh-oh, we can't go there. We need pink. Pink. Dropping out. And we need white.
wood here. We gotta mix it.
I'm gonna put all of it. Ew, it looks like cookie.
Doesn't look like food.
Yeah, it looks like cookie.
Everything gotta mix it.
Yeah, give me spoon so we need to mix it. Wait, you got the spoon? You got the cactus. I'm gonna do the. Yeah, you dropped the lid. You go get it. No, you.
There, just mix it.
I'm gonna do this one. We go pick up the stuff.
Just mix it a bit.
Okay, I'm gonna We're making this right now. Where's Mommy go? Where does Mommy go? Okay, we're done doing
it already? Check it out. That's my pencil.
And you already maybe dropped it.